Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week. We have some great announcements to tell you about today. AWS IoT Framework now supports AGL, Pali is now breathing, AWS Code Pipeline now supports push notifications from S3, AWS announces 4 new Community Heroes, we are on the lookout for new instructors to help us teach the world to cloud, and finally we announce Guru of the Week. You're watching AWS This Week with me, Faye Ellis. AWS IoT Framework now supports AGL. So AGL is an automotive-grade Linux and is an open source project to establish an industry-standard Linux version specifically for the automotive industry. So this means that the auto manufacturers can now use AWS IoT to build serverless IoT apps for their connected vehicles. And this really paves the way for loads of new innovative services like remote diagnostics, environmentals, health checks, predictive analysis, safety and security applications, etc. Pali is now breathing. So Pali is the text-to-speech function in AWS, and she now has an amazing new feature called SSML breath, and this mimics the sound of human breath. You can now insert tags into the text to make Pali-generated speech sound much more natural and human. So we think this is a great feature, and it will be amazing for talking books, longer narratives, any automated phone services, and many other applications. AWS Code Pipeline now supports push events from Amazon S3. So for those who don't know, AWS Code Pipeline is a CI orchestration service which manages software release pipelines. So prior to this announcement, Code Pipeline would periodically check for source code changes in S3, but now this new capability means that any new S3-based pipelines can use CloudWatch to trigger an event, so every time a code change happens in S3, allowing Code Pipeline to then execute new workflows in response. AWS announced 4 new Community Heroes. So the Community Hero program is a way that AWS recognizes those who have really gone above and beyond in their contribution to the cloud community, sharing their expertise via events, blogs, and social media. So 4 new heroes have been announced, including our very own Peter Sparsky. So Peter's been recognized for his expertise and passion for serverless architectures and event-driven programming. And if you'd like to see the link below, you can find out more about all of the other AWS Community Heroes. So we are looking for new instructors to help us teach the world to cloud. I joined the team 4 weeks ago and I'm really loving it. So if you have the AWS SA Pro certification, we'd really like to hear from you. Please see the career section in our website and get in touch. So on to Guru of the Week. Now this week's correct answer was B, and loads of you got it right. So this week's winner is Shaila Harry LD, and Shaila is a DevOps engineer. He's working at Polestar in London. So congratulations, Shaila. And there is a Cloud Guru t-shirt, sticker, and hand-signed card on its way to you in the post. And you are also in the draw to win a free ticket to reInvent 2018. This week's question is now live on our Facebook page. Please see the link below. And that's it from me. So you've been watching AWS This Week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, and I'll see you next time.